Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see something interesting in ChatGPT. We will completely learn from scratch how you can install ChatGPT application in your mobile, and we will also see and explore how we can enable the speech function in ChatGPT so that we can directly talk to the application and it can reply in real time. We will also see how you can change different languages, different styles to the answer of ChatGPT bot. So let's see and let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store and just right here in the search, ChatGPT. Here we have one. Now here is the ChatGPT, this one with 100 million downloads. Click on install and let's open it, continue. And let's quickly sign up for it to work properly. Let's click on sign in with Google, continue. Just choose your account. Now, once we are in there, you can use this advanced voice mode function, as you can see here, and we can then directly talk to ChatGPT. So now let's try this. Let me just ask something. It will ask you for some access. Let's continue. Let's allow to record the audio.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
So as we can see, we can make some of the settings. We can choose the voices here.
Hi, glad.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you.
So these are some of the voices that you can choose. Click done. So let's ask him, what was the price of Bitcoin in 2013? So let's cancel this now. And you can see how amazing it is. Let me just try another thing. Just simply click on this voice icon right here, and then you can just simply talk to ChatGPT like you normally do. What was the price of Cardano in 2016? What was the price of Cardano in 2016? So that's quite an information, guys, and you also get it in the text here. So if you want to change some of the settings, just click on this plus icon right here where you see the profile icon. Just click on this three dots, and from the speech, you can select the input language and you can change your preferred voice as well. So as you can see, guys, it's really amazing. You need to try this. It's fun and it can be used for many things for quick conversation with ChatGPT. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next video.